Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate a video on CapCut website. Also, first of all, all you need to do is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So, of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So, once you open your browser, just go to the URL section, type CapCut.com, and hit the enter button. So, as you can see, here that will actually be my home or my main screen, but for you will not have this as your home or your main screen unless you log in into your account. For you will have two options: is to open its own browser or download it on your PC. Of course, you will have a video on this channel on how to download it on your PC. If you are interested, just go and check this channel out. So of course, you will have at the top right corner two options of creating your account or logging in into your account. So if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, or if you have one, you'll need to log in. So actually, once you logged into your account, you'll find this as your home or your main screen. And from here, you can create a blank canvas. You can open some of your recent projects. For me, I'm just going to click as blank canvas right here, and I'll need to wait a bit until it loads. So of course, if you have it on your PC, you'll not need to wait anything. It will you can start editing directly. So for me, I'm just going to upload a file right here. I'm just going to upload this. So once it's actually uploaded, all I need to do, just go and drag the file right here to this area. So from here, now I will need to select the file or the video, and from here I'll need to go here at the top right corner. So from here, as you can see, we will have here the position and size. So of course, if you just open that, if maybe it's closed, if you open that, you'll have here an option which is the position. Like, you can change the position of the video, or you can rotate your video. You can just go here, as you can see we have a circle here, and you can start rotating your video however you want. Of course, if you don't want to use that, you want to use the angle, you can like choose the angle from here. As you can see, whatever angle you choose, it will be rotated. And of course, even you have the third option, which is just rotating from here. And here you are, you will be good to go. So of course, you'll need just to export your video. Once you rotate your video, just export it and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.